Legends of Learning presents the Space Volt Shuttle Restoration Game. This is a science game that makes learning about the transfer of motion energy fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, you are a stranded space explorer trying to repair your crashed shuttle. By pushing, throwing, and repositioning objects in clever puzzles, you'll transfer motion energy to reactivate its vital systems. Each mission blends fun problem solving with science, helping players understand how moving objects carry and transfer energy. Use the W, A, S, and D keys to move the character around the map to solve science puzzles using the transfer of motion energy. Use different objects to push or throw them to complete each level's puzzles. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Throwable objects. Thrown objects carry